Hi everyone, and welcome to this edition of What Would Keith Do? Quick one today, and what I want to introduce you to is dry bags and how I use dry bags. These are brilliant for keeping your kit separate, keeping your kit dry, keeping your kit from not smelling, and they're just so useful, and you should have at least 5 of them for all of your trips. So if we look here, I've got my quite bulky down jacket, and what I can do is stuff it into a dry bag, compress it down, and that is now sealed a lot smaller. It's got all the air out of it. It's not going to take up as much room in my bag, and if my drinks bottle or bladder was to leak, that can stay dry as well. So my tip for everyone today is go and get yourself some dry bags and split all your kit amongst it when you go on your trips. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next week.